welcome to Sailing Clueless Crew. I'm John.
And I'm Sharon.
We have a little dog as well called Cleo who'll be joining us on the journey. But for all those that do know us, hi. For those that don't know us, hi and welcome aboard. Just by way of quick update, the reason why we're doing this video pretty much is just to let everybody know what we've been up to in the last few weeks. So just a couple of weeks ago, we took part in the Düsseldorf boat show. We went and had a look around there, which was really interesting. So a couple of little snippets on the front of this video to get a teaser on that. But more importantly, as you can see behind us, we've been packing. So trying to get a 3-bed house into just a number of boxes to fit a 42-foot catamaran has been quite a challenge, and sorting through stuff and getting rid of it has been quite emotional for the pair of us, wouldn't you say? That stuff leaves us tomorrow, heads its way down to Greece, and by the end of the month, lucky enough for us two, we're retiring early, decided to cut the rat race, move down to Greece, where we will then undertake a number of boat jobs that the surveyor picked up on the boat back in December when we purchased the boat. So things to look forward to then while the boat's on the hard is everything below the water line, so we can get the boat back in the water, which is our mission, by the beginning of April. So we need to get the diaphragms on the sail drives done, we need to service the engines, there's a few leaks on the accumulator tank, the generator, etc. And then we've got a few upgrades to do on the boat, such as a lithium install, fitting a dishwasher and also a washing machine. So lots to look forward to if you stay tuned on how to or how to not do all these jobs on the boat. So for now, that's the update. Stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed already, subscribe, hit the like button, leave a comment, and make sure you hit that bell button so you get notified when the next video is out. But from us both, Sailing Clueless Crew, John and Sharon, don't knot it until you tied it. Take care, and we'll see you soon.
See you in Greece. Bye.
And just make sure you speak up so the microphone can pick what you're saying.
Okay.
Yeah? So good afternoon, everybody. My name's John, and this is...
Best Vendor, aka Sharon.
Your name's in Sharon. To, or moving down to, at the end of February. It's been a challenge, hasn't it, Sharon? Getting all them boxes packed.
Just the right size. The only downside to it, I would say, is storage. It's not really enough storage.